Hey everybody, Joe Laparda here. Yesterday after our management call, I started to do some segmentation around our community, both from an email standpoint, all the people we've gathered over the past few months, as well as all the amazing people that have been signing up for our KYC as well. That drifted over today, so continued to do some segmenting work, building out different communication strategies and plans around that. And also today did a good amount of work with Tung, our general counsel, as it pertains to different website changes that are happening today and over the next few days as it pertains and relates to our narrative. Thanks everybody, have a great day.
Hey guys, yesterday we added improved guidelines to our KYC process, and I kept working with Yuri and Alex on our redesigned homepage. So we finalized those designs today and pushed it live, and it looks beautiful, so I invite you to check it out. And it's one of several changes we're making on our website, so stay tuned and bye for now. Thanks.
Hi everyone. Yesterday was focused on social media and incoming emails. Today I'm going to be working on reaching out to some of our KYC registrants who maybe had a little bit of trouble, seeing what we can do to help them through the process. See you tomorrow.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I made a few changes in our new homepage. I made new header, new logos, new call to action, new background, etc. Today I'll finish mobile version, new header and start make as a part our page. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.